What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well, guys. Today, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are a subscriber, thank you, guys. Okay, guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn 750, guys, by inviting your loved ones, guys, to take vaccination, guys. You guys can see, guys, here this campaign here, guys. Okay, view details. Okay, as you can see, guys, they say we would like to reward you for assisting others to join the hashtag Vaccination. For every successful referral you will earn 75 rand and 750 if you refer 10 people. Just imagine, guys, if you have about 20 friends, guys, or your loved ones, you will be eligible to earn 1500, guys. Okay, to land with this level, guys, you have to come here, grab, and then as you can see, guys, you have to fill out this form, guys. Okay, step 1, guys, thank you for choosing the refer someone to hashtag vaccination. Please capture the cell phone number in the instructions below in order for them to receive their referral link. Please note that only individuals plus 18 years and older are eligible, guys. Description: referral 5 friends, guys, will be earning 275, 10 friends 750. Refer cell phone number, please type okay. Here, guys, you will type their cell phone number, guys. You type their cell phone number, and then you press submit. As you can see, guys, all these countries can participate, guys. All these countries. Okay, then after you have done entering their number, you press submit. And then if that person completes the vaccination task, you will earn 75 rand. But if you invited 10 people, you will be able to earn 750, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.